Hi tech enthusiasts, welcome back to Fast Cabling. Today in this video, we're diving into the world of 4K IP cameras and everything you need to know about choosing, installing, and managing them effectively. Now, whether you're upgrading your home security or enhancing your business surveillance, this guide will cover all the bases. But before we start, we're thrilled to tell you we're giving away free tech design consultation to all our audience. Whether you're looking to optimize your existing setup or starting from scratch, our team of tech experts is here to help you design a system that meets your specific needs. Now, while standard definition and 2K cameras have served us well, 4K cameras step it up significantly. With 4K, you're looking at a resolution of 3,840 times 2,160 pixels. That's 4 times the pixels count of Full HD. And this high resolution means sharper images and more detail, making it easier to catch important features like faces or license plates. So why choose a 4K IP camera? The answer is clarity and precision. For areas requiring meticulous detail, nothing beats the resolution that 4K offers. So now, let's explore what to consider when setting up your 4K IP surveillance system. So consideration number 1, connectivity. Should you go wire or wireless? Let's break it down. Wireless cameras are generally easier to install since they do not require running cables through walls or ceilings. Without the need of cable connection, wireless 4K IP cameras can be placed virtually anywhere within the range of the wireless network. And this can be particularly advantageous in buildings where physical wiring installations are difficult or intrusive, and allows for greater flexibility in monitoring different angles and areas. And although wireless 4K IP cameras are more flexible and easier to install, they can be susceptible to interference from other devices using the same frequency, such as Bluetooth devices or other Wi-Fi networks. And this interference can cause inconsistency in video quality and reliability, which is less ideal for security purposes where constant surveillance is needed. And it might also struggle with the high bandwidth needs of multiple 4K cameras, potentially leading to drop frames, decreased video quality, and connectivity issues. So if you're using wireless connection, make sure you test your Wi-Fi signal strength first. And even though they're labeled as wireless in terms of data transmission, most wireless cameras still require a power source. And this means they either need to be plugged into an outlet or powered by batteries, which can need regular replacement or recharging. By using Power over Ethernet technology, you can transmit both power and data through a single Ethernet cable, simplifying installation and reducing clutter. There's no need for multiple power sources, which is especially handy for multiple camera setup. However, installing wire connection can be more labor-intensive than wireless. Routing cables throughout a facility, especially in a large or complex environment, can be challenging. So choosing between wire and wireless should consider the specific needs of the installation sites, the scale of the system, and the available resources for installation and maintenance. So next up, we have the lenses. With 4K, every detail matters. We have the fixed lens and zoom lens. Now, fixed lens cameras are valued for their simplicity and reliability. They come with a preset field of view, which means that what you see in your initial setup is what you get continuously. And this makes them straightforward to install and operate, so there's no need to adjust the focus or zoom setting. But the primary drawback of the fixed lens camera is also their lack of flexibility. So now let's talk about zoom lenses. Now, zoom lens can adjust the field of view to focus on different areas or objects. This flexibility allows users to zoom in for detailed imagery or zoom out for broader coverage, adapting to the specific need of the moment without requiring physical repositioning of the camera. However, setting up and configuring zoom lens might be a little more complex. So while fixed lens cameras offer simplicity and cost efficiency, which is ideal for consistent and focused surveillance, zoom lens camera provide adaptability and detailed coverage, suitable for dynamic environment with varying surveillance need. So balancing these factors will help in choosing the right camera's type to secure your premises effectively. Now, while a few 4K cameras might be manageable, scaling up requires a robust network. If you have many 4K IP cameras, then you should consider the network load and possibly employ advanced compression technology to keep the video smooth without clogging your network. And recording is crucial. Your NVR, the network video recorder, must support 4K to handle and decode the high-resolution footage. Otherwise, you're still not getting the 4K. And this ensures that the video quality isn't compromised when it's time to play back or examine footage. And let's not forget about features like human or vehicle detections, which our NVR support. They can enhance your security setup by focusing on relevant moments and reducing false alarms. And lastly, a word on viewing platforms. Watching 4K footage on a small smartphone screen might not reveal its full potential compared to viewing it on a large monitor. And viewing multiple 4K IP cameras feed on a split screen divides the monitor's total resolution among the camera's feed, results in a decrease in resolution to about 1080p per feed due to the limitation of screen resolution and the distribution of pixel density across the screen. So let's put it simple. Don't fill it on a split screen, otherwise you will only see 1080p resolution. So installing a 4K IP camera system is an investment in high-quality surveillance that pays off in security and detail. And remember to consider all these aspects to ensure you're fully leveraging the capabilities of 4K technology. And if you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell for more tech insights. And feel free to drop your questions or experience with the 4K cameras in the comment section below because we love hearing from you. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.